Fuel rail assembly removal and installation procedure. GDI Injector Combustion Seal. GDI Injector Combustion Seal Sizing Tool. Applicable models. Injector Rotator. Injector Puller. Applicable models. Notice: using a 12 mm socket spanner, loosen and remove the common rail to cylinder head mounting bolts. Carefully remove the fuel rail assembly with injectors from the vehicle. Notice: insert the MST injector puller tool by twisting shaft and lateral sliding it onto injector and making sure the extraction socket of twisting shaft below the extraction bump on injector. Assemble the torsion pin with twisting shaft, twist it clockwise and counterclockwise. Notice: extract the injector from the cylinder head, pulling it out with the tool. If not able to remove injector from cylinder head, extract the torsion pin and insert the short mass onto twisting shaft. Then insert torsion pin. Hit the torsion pin with the short mass to extract the injector from the cylinder head. Extract the injector together with spring clip after injector separate from the cylinder head. Notice: in case the injector detached from the rail during the fuel rail removal operation, it is recommended to twist it back and forth around its axis prior to pulling it out of the engine cavity. This operation can be necessary to help break down the carbon buildup formed between the injector tip and cylinder head. Remove the O-ring by using hand or plastic lever or plastic pliers. The O-ring can be stretched until it breaks or can be removed of the component. Remove the backup ring by using hand or plastic pliers. Caution: install the new backup ring by gently rolling it over the O-ring adapter upper collar and position it into the proper position inside the groove. Notice: install the new O-ring by gently rolling it over the O-ring adapter upper collar and position it into the proper position inside the groove. Notice: caution: remove the injector by pressing the injector clip from the fuel rail assembly and then remove the injector. Remove the combustion seal by using a plastic lever or plastic pliers or nose plier. The combustion seal can be stretched until it breaks or can be removed of the component. Properly clean the combustion seal groove and injector tip by bathing it in an appropriate cleaning fluid before assembling the combustion seal. Caution: notice: place the MST GDI Injector Combustion Seal Tool Installation Special Tool on the injector tip. Insert and push the sealing ring by using a pushing tool over the sealing ring tool until it snaps into the groove. Remove the combustion seal installation special tool from injector tip. Insert the injector to the MST GDI Injector Combustion Seal Sizing Tool and turn 180 degrees so that the seal fits well in the groove. Remove injector from the sizing tool by thumbing it in the reverse direction. Notice: Install the injector by inserting the injector clip correctly into the fuel rail assembly and then refit the injector to the fuel rail assembly. Carefully refit the fuel rail assembly with injectors to the vehicles. Using 12 mm socket spanner, refit the common rail to the cylinder head mounting bolts. Torque 25 ± 3 Nm.